We literally would budget a ceiling a month to replace from a drain backing up. We did it, install it. 4 months later, they called up and they had a leak through the roof. And we had just done a condenser up on the roof. They had said that we put 4-inch screws through the roof. They sent pictures, and there was probably a dozen long 4-inch screws that were through the roof. We immediately thought that we were at fault, so we went into CompanyCam just for giggles. Our installers actually did a video of them walking off the roof, and you could see that there was nothing on the roof when we left. It turned out some company came out later and put a satellite dish on. We were able to show with that video, you could see that everything was impeccably clean when we left. That was probably a $75,000 damage. 4 years ago, I would have, okay, it's a sheet metal screw. It had to have been us, but we were able to completely get out of it.
I love hearing that, because when you're a contractor, you feel that story. The way you said it, where, gosh, we could have accidentally, we don't know, how would we know? And then it's like, oh, let's look. And you see, what's different? Oh, there's a satellite. That satellite dish wasn't here. Things that you're like, that you just don't know, that when CompanyCam sort of acts as your company's memory, it gives you this like super powered memory that you wouldn't have otherwise about the facts on the ground.
It even turned into a better thing because we sent the videos to the condo association. They were so impressed, they signed a contract and forced everybody in the building to only use us. So we're the only contractor that's allowed in the building now. They were so impressed by it. Turned from a $75,000 possible lawsuit to 24, 28 maintenance agreements, and sold the only company allowed in the building.
For that to turn into kind of like turn that frown upside down, like, we're screwed, to, hey, now we've got a bunch of forcibly loyal customers,